park, Nuwaraeliya. It's very famous in Nuwaraeliya.
So guys, this is the ticket counter where you need to buy tickets to enter the park. So they mentioned here 80 rupees for locals, for kids 25 rupees. So guys, talking about Queen Victoria Park in Nuwara Sri Lanka is a beautiful and historic place to visit. Located in the center of Nuwaraeliya, easily accessible from this town. Named to honor Queen Victoria's Diamond Jubilee in 1897, I think. 27 acres with well-maintained gardens and walking paths.
It's nice. It's like a small stream.
We can find a small water stream here which makes this park more beautiful.
Wow, look at the Victoria Park. I'm so after years coming here. Enjoying.
Yeah, excited.
Yes.
She likes trees, no?
Yes. Maybe. Look at that. They mentioned the Victoria Garden.
Yes.
Are we going to walk to 10?
Victoria Garden.
So honey. Enjoying it now. So cold. She like to hug me and come.
Yeah, they like the cold.
Yes.
It's the heat that they bear. They are better immune than us. They are feeling very fresh and lively and enjoying. They can enjoy.
Queen Victoria Park is a peaceful and beautiful place. Perfect for a visit when in Nuwaraeliya. You must visit this place to get the best experience. Features a variety of flowers and plants, including roses and trees. A great spot for bird watching. Has a children playground, boating facilities, and a miniature railway. I think there is some renovation going on these days. That's why we can't see many activities here.
The best thing that you need, better to go. Best content you want to, place you want to visit, you should go there first, because sometimes even the mist is on the way. You won't be able to take as much as views that you would like to get when it's all fog in all the foggy town. Greenhouse. So it's locked.
Just lock the door.
You can come this time. Yes, like that.
Enjoys a cool climate, perfect for picnics and walks.
So this is, I think, middle path in the Victoria Park.
Ideal for bird watching, photography, and enjoying the flowers. This is the perfect place for families as well. There are so many paths you can take.
Yeah. Look at this nature, beautiful, very relaxed, very peace.
So what do you think?
Now it's gone.
Huh?
Now it's gone.
So guys, we have covered the park, which is so beautiful as I mentioned earlier. Walking with family here is a wonderful experience, allowing more time to spend with them. Come here and enjoy life with nature. So guys, I'd like to sign out for now. See you all in my next video. Have a great day.